Hey guys, my meal of the day is fried plantains with moi moi. You can see my moi moi warming up in the pot. I always have moi moi in my freezer. It makes preparing meals such as this so easy. All I have to do is bring it out, leave it to defrost at room temperature, then warm it up for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, I set my vegetable oil to heat up. Then, I get my ripe and firm plantain. Cut off the two ends, make a shallow cut on the skin and peel off. I then slice it up by making slanted cuts on the plantain. You can also cut it into cubes or circles, however you want it. It should be at most a third of an inch thick. Then put it in a bowl. Add some salt. Drop some water on it. And toss to distribute the salt. Once the oil is hot enough, I add a chunk of onion. This gives the plantain a nice flavor. You can also do this when frying fish. Add the slices of plantain. Fry for a few seconds and flip them over to fry the underside. Keep doing this till they are golden brown all over. Then take them off and place in a sieve. Then unwrap the moi moi and serve with tomato stew. Looks yummy, doesn't it? Try this combination and let me know what you think. Bye!